Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my beautiful, gorgeous and very messy boyfriend Yani Makute.
Wow, full name, my legal name.
Okay, I'll redo. Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my gorgeous, beautiful, sweet and messy boyfriend Yani Makute, Pastoril Jr. Passport number.
Wow, okay, everything.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to Showtime. Don't make noise, please. In today's video, we're gonna be reacting to Showtime, because it's Showtime, guys.
Magpasikat. We have a lot of requests for this, and we actually didn't want to do this video. We still haven't seen this video, but we're doing this video because we are curious because of all the requests. So it's a pretty long video, so we're just gonna speed up the video on YouTube.
Yeah, we're gonna speed it up just a touch because we don't have that much time, unfortunately.
Yes, and we are actually genuinely curious as to why you guys are recommending this a lot.
Yeah,
So we'll see.
let's go for it.
Without further ado,
Stay tuned.
subscribe to our channel and let's go.
Like my Instagram, just for fun.
So let's watch this together, you guys. You guys probably have seen this already, but we haven't. This was uploaded 1 week ago, and there's like 4 million views on YouTube, and we are
should have done this earlier.
curious.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, here we go. We got our coffee, we got our water. We are pretty much ready to go. So let's go ahead and watch this because it's very long, and like we said, we're gonna speed this up a little bit, just a little bit. And go ahead and watch it together with us. I know you guys watch it together. I know you guys watched it already, but just watch it with us again. Who cares? We're just curious because there's a lot of requests, so this must be amazing. We'll see.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Here we go. I'm actually genuinely curious. I want to see this. I've been wanting to see this.
Oh, aerialists.
Is that Vice Ganda?
Oh! Girl, she lost the wig right away.
Is that Vice Ganda? Where's the wig?
First second, she lost it.
Oh, it's timely relevant to my country, which is the Philippines, because it's Halloween.
Look at these long wigs that they have, these girls.
Wow.
Guys, careful. Don't get tangled.
I wonder what this...
Oh, I love this song.
Oh, how do you know this song? It's nice that they're saying English, so...
Oh,
There's some butterflies
Are you kidding me, guys?
on stage?
It's a very hard song. He's doing a reveal, I feel it.
Where did they get those wigs, please? I think I know the story. She wants wigs. Oh, that's perfect timing. The butterfly landed on his hand. Oh my god, Don Zulweta. I know her. She's like one of the veteran actors. We need to... Okay,
Wow,
this is
so
art. So
dramatic.
what is the story behind this? It's like contemporary.
So dramatic. And they're walking on stage.
I would like to be one of the long hair girls because it's the easiest job. You just do this. I want to walk. I feel like Vice Ganda is doing change outfit now.
Yeah, of course. I wish I was Vice coming down as an aerialist.
He should set. And scene.
And
Butterfly. That's a perfect timing. The butterfly. I whip my hair back and forth. Oh my gosh. You know, magpasikat in my language means to show off. So it's probably like showing off their talents.
yes, gymnasts.
When did it change? When did
That's
it
a
change?
crazy change. He just ran out and he look beautiful.
Hey, she can dance.
If he steps on a girl with those heels, she's gonna break her foot.
So what's the message of this? Oh my god, she changed her stuff. Maybe like she can be whatever she wants to be.
Oh,
I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. Wow, that's another outfit change. I want to see the other competition now because there are I think 3 more. So I want to see what they did. Oh, I like this look too. Oh my god, he's doing the LGBT colors.
oh, so many dancers! I love it.
Oh, he looks so pretty in this one.
Yeah, that's the best color actually. This and the blue one.
The blue
green.
one. Yeah, the blue green.
Oh my god, maybe there's also a singing highway.
You know, I was just scared. I was just scared.
Now serving ube ice cream.
Hey, that's his child, Survivor.
Oh shit, look at these braids.
I thought it was attached to her head.
Me too.
I'm not gonna give up.
Well,
I'm entertained. I'm happy we watched this video. I'm just
Yeah.
gonna watch, like, sit down. I don't care if we're filming or not. Oh my god, look at the judges.
Very serious, these judges, I must say. Not even a little smile.
Guys, like I said, if it... Oh my god, he kind of copied Beyonce, the monogram and everything. I'll work harder, I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive. People... Oh, because all the bashers, all the hate comments online, and then this is the song. Oh, it makes sense.
Oh, now you get it?
There's a flow.
Like at the end?
It's he's saying that he will survive. Now that you're out of my life.
Oh, that's the
I'm
perfect
so
look
much
actually
better.
for this video. Yes,
I gain
handstands.
prosperity,
Wow!
I'm
I'm in love with these dancers. Nice job, guys.
He did the whole song. Oh my god, this is probably... Oh my god, how did he do that?
She came out
Is
of
it
a
like
vagina.
maybe editing after she came out of the vagina.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. He did not hold back with his fire.
And he's gonna change outfit again. I wonder what the theme this time.
Oh.
Earlier.
New
Oh,
prep
cheerleading.
Squad. New prep squad.
And new pep squad. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited for the cheerleading competition this year.
no,
my
it's
god, they're,
Dollarama. Look at them.
they're wearing
Plastic.
Mimi Ya's wig. Mimi Ya. Remember Dalagang Filipina boy?
Oh.
Wow, that's a lot of dancer. What is this? Beychella? Beyonce Coachella edition? How can you dance with a yo-yo?
Exactly.
Oh, this is my favorite song from Lady Gaga. Ooh.
Balloons.
Remember I sang this to you?
No, I don't remember.
Remember at the school, our parents put up a fight.
Oh, yeah.
Hot shot mom will cut my hair at night.
What's that dress? I don't get it. Oh.
And in the morning, I'm sure
Oh,
for my
alive.
identity.
Look at people.
A drag queen in Toronto and in the US did that already. Be who I wanna
Dressed with
be.
wigs. They're dressed with wigs.
I love the hair. Yes.
It's a
Who
beautiful
I
song, this one.
am. I swear I'm as free as my hair. Hey, I am my hair.
Oh my god, the whole
judges,
audience.
The audience.
Look at this one, so serious, wearing the wig. What happened to him? Oh.
I love the message of this song. Wow.
Oh, yes. Oh, legs.
Oh, now he's flying
Bam.
again. Oh my god, look, he's
Play.
doing some aerial stuff. He got stuck. Oh wait,
No,
did he
no,
get stuck?
he's doing it on purpose.
Remember, I saw Pink's interview. She said that it's actually hard to sing while hanging.
It's so hard, guys. I did a show hanging in the air like that. It was so hard.
Lady
She
Gaga
put up such a huge show. I
The
cannot believe.
entire audience is included.
Can you imagine the wardrobe?
Yes, the wardrobe. I feel like backstage, it's all his. And the other contestants are like nothing.
Nice song, this one. He chose nicely.
Oh wow, he did finish. Oh no, not yet. Oh, he's gonna sing a ballad. He's gonna end the concert with a ballad, or the
It makes
performance
sense.
with a
Oh,
ballad.
there he is. Glitter in the air.
What am I doing here? I don't belong here.
Oh,
I don't belong here.
I feel like he focused on LGBT theme.
I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What am I doing here?
Oh my god.
Oh, and they all took
I
off the.
don't belong here.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Don't belong here.
No, I'm crying.
Oh.
Did he have cancer maybe?
Well, yeah.
Your appetite is here. And for as long as I live, you will have an ate. You've had enough. You're not a freak.
Oh.
You don't need to fight to stay cool on the streets. You're enough, enough, enough. And this is my prayer. You're as free as your hair.
Oh. It's nice that there's a message. Oh, that's sweet.
I've had enough. I'm not a freak. I don't need to fight to stay cool on the
street.
I've had enough, 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 and this is my prayer. I swear I'm as free as my hair.
Oh, nice message, Vice Ganda. Yes. Oh my god, this is the first time. Oh my god, the first time I see him without wig on
Oh, yeah.
national television.
We're as free as our hair.
Oh, yes.
Nicely done.
Wow.
Wow.
That's nice. Wow.
Nicely done. I must say I'm very, very surprised.
I approve.
This is not what I was expecting.
Yeah.
This is really not what I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be like such a different type of show. But she sang dance, that was that emotional moment, amazing dancers.
I'm happy he ended the performance with
a
nice message that no matter who you are, where you came from, your disability in life, you're not a freak, you are just free as your hair.
yeah, because we're all so different. We're also different.
And I
We
always
all
said
come
this,
from
I
different
love that song from the album and it has a nice
Yeah.
message and I like that he interpreted it that way.
Yeah, that message is so beautiful.
Yes.
And we all come from our personal struggles, right?
Yes.
So our personal fights, and we're all free. We should be.
Yeah. What made it touching is he invited a child, I think who has
Yeah.
like a medical condition, and he sang like, "Oh, I'm a freak, I'm weird, I don't belong here."
And then there was that nice message. Nicely done. No wonder why
Nicely
you
done.
have 4 million views. You should
We
have
love
more.
it.
More.
We love it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.